Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set TalkBack on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll. Okay, so on the down you can see this is the additional setting, so you have to click on additional setting. When you click on it, here you can see this is the accessibility, so you have to click on this accessibility. When you click on it, on the side here second option you can see vision, so you have to click here on this vision. Okay, then only you can found the first option talkback. Click on talkback. So if you want to set the talkback, what you need to do is that you just click on this icon here like this, and here the talkback will be activated. Okay, and if you want to click the back button, you just click the back button and you have to click double. Okay, just click double. See, you have to click it double like this. Okay, and if you want to scroll, you can scroll with two finger, because with one finger it won't work. Okay, so you have to use the two finger, right? And if you want to click the back but home button, just click on home button one time, then click double. Okay, see, if you want to slide with one finger you can't, so you have to use the two finger, right? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.